Come to Jamaica for the holiday and we party every night, every day and make we go the beach pan a sunny day and live wild no matter what people say. Just a pack of Durex, good that to me well. Additional blue cologne, give me the smell. And a bag of call credit for me digis. Make we shout everybody figure 80 I me well. School that na me and na me rum, so you know I say me happy, me happy. Somebody everybody happy, somebody everybody happy.
Good morning, wake up, I look crazy. He ain't messing with no average chick, pop. He got shot there, he know daddy hit the jackpot. And this morning, cleaning mine again, like, no matter how much I clean up the room, and no matter how me, we wake up in morning time, spread up the place, sweep out the place, tidy up my makeup and them some of that, every day dirty, every day. Between me and the kids them, every day place dirty. So, I just made the bed. Oh, Q, come here. What are you? You sure? So, we just had the dresser tidy up, the bed. We just pack up some clothes. I go wash today and wash. Last week I had this lady wash for me, but she didn't wash my clothes too great. So, whoa, what's up with my face? Uh-oh. Did I eat something? Probably. But I had this lady come and wash yesterday. I mean, not yesterday, last week. But she ain't washed them clothes. So guess what? Goody gonna wash our own clothes today. The washing machine is back there, but you gotta get water to put it in. Baby, I don't got time for that. And I don't mind sitting over bad pan. Tip on my toe and do the wash part. With the song, so I'm gonna wash out some stuff with my hands. Some stuff I'm gonna throw in the machine, like the jeans and stuff. Goody though, I'm not one of them. Nope, jeans. One wearing something, no one wash out. Then you forget some. I'm gonna throw those in the machine. What I'm gonna really wash with my hands is my little, my little stuff, and my little underwear and some white clothes. Some white clothes, I'm gonna wash them out. Wash out the dirt out of them, soap them up in some nice blue soap, and put some bleach pan it, make his son go and work pan them look a bit, and then I wash them out in the machine afterwards, and then I hang them up. I go end up on the line. I go to the name wash day with Shade. Alright, so that's what I'm gonna do. Today is what, Tuesday. I have literally one more week left. Wednesday. Today not Wednesday. Today Tuesday. Wednesday. So tomorrow is Tennille's birthday. So we're gonna do something for that tomorrow, but then today I think we're going to the river again today. So we need to hurry up. I've been waking up late lately. Like, I don't know what's going on in my sleep pattern. When we first come down here, every morning 6 o'clock I wake up every morning, and now I be getting up at them bad 10 o'clock. Like, why my body so tired? But because I go up more and now my body like tired. I didn't go anywhere last night though, but I was just on the phone the whole time. But it's after 11. My goal is to be done with whatever I have to do by 1 o'clock. So leg up. I don't really get to do this when I'm there up. So when I come to Jamaica, I wash out my pants to them, soap them up with the blue soap, with a nice blue soap, and put them in the sun. Like sun, beat them out and just nice it up. See, I say you do with the white clothes, you soap up white clothes them. And you put them in sun for burn out and white. No found while they are foreign, And no people that are foreign. When I see them white, you have to wonder if they're really white. This can do a foreign too. Tear up a blue soap. Every time I come to Jamaica, I tear up my nice blue soap. I mean,
oh, it's on a bun.
I'm going to go wash out my white clothes, them nice and clean. I got me there still. And you have to have 2 bad pan when you are washing it. You put the camera down here, so now you nice clothes them, just you have to have 2 bad pan. One where you are washing and one where you go wash and put in and second you close them. Yeah, pull up the camera go. And second you close them nice. But anyway, around here hot. Tennille says she hot, she don't want video no more, so I don't know why I'm in Jamaica, my white clothes are so dirty, but
white shop, I understand try, what try to
okay. Dirty. This name dirt.
And look how it I clean.
And look how it all clean when we're done. Just well on. First step.
Where man, the pass I'm not thinking
Why drop over this so? First step, make sure say the clothes well wet.
Yeah.
Then come down here so till you show them down here.
I'm not for sure them if yes.
No. soap it up nice with the blue soap.
Nice and clean.
Nice and clean. Soap it up, soap.
You have to go wash your hand, Audrey.
Alright.
Zip
You
right,
take a good washing brush.
do zip right here.
Audrey, mind me wet you up, you know. And you scrub until the dirt gone. No, sometimes you feel like your soap done out, you just rub it again. Make sure so you don't scrub the arms and down the arm. But this is an outer top, but make sure you don't scrub on the arm. Any stain up on the shirt.
The arm green.
Make sure say it's wasted them arm green. Scrub it out, clean. No, I'm telling you. You can't just wear white clothes and throw them in a machine. So, cow.
Oh, well, it's not saying
wash
water.
good. The machine will send you back with the same dirty dirt pan them.
See, machine, if some people don't know any machine.
What do you mean some people don't know any machine?
Me a fool.
Tell them some jeans them are washing at that.
Jeans, them, I know.
They are wash out. I'm tired. I said a while ago, I said, Tini, come back, come show them how the shirt clean. Tini said, make sure say clean, you know. But I can't show people them no dirty clothes. But it's clean, man. One look spot in them, I look for the bleach, you just tap on it, say clean out. But clean. Come in pan this tin. Clean. Clean. No. Remember showing under the arm when I tell you to show the dirty up? Clean. We have a clean and fresh. We have a clean and fresh. Like it's winter. Bad charge. Right now, I'm on Scotty. Hot. And tired me if you go beer.
No, me I come from, you know. So I know where I go. Remember when me the poor daddy. I know me never no mother fi proud of me. A lot of night me sleep hungry. I must be proud of cover me. Me never forget the board house. The one bed with four of me. Them things that make me sing song. Hard life too cold daddy. Me tell you the pressures in life.
See them there. And the jeans them, when the jeans them done. In the machine. Me hang them out too. And then the white clothes them, me go around. Go soap them up. And left them in the bleach water till later or tomorrow. Because it's still early. Try plant one wheat tree around here. No matter how mama tear it down. Implant it back. Smell like weed, yes. The eye tall. So where you pick? Where pick? When you so when you pull, when it's full and ripe. Oh, in there so you pick, yeah? So when you leave, then drop off. Oh. Real ganja. Ganja. Say he's a ganja planter. Call him the ganja farmer. Deep down in the earth where we put the ganja. Basically them drip off. Then I soap up already down. I'm not putting no bleach in them. Taj? What? Call Mala. You call him Mala? That's fine. You know so child can't talk already, so try me that talk. So if anybody I wonder if you're new to my channel, you know, so my cousin try. You can't hear. You can't talk. I'm just want to big up the people them will always have big them up. Just big up on yourself. Even somebody comment on my Instagram post yesterday and say, if you big up, try. So big up on yourself. I'm going to put this now, Audrey. Lift that side of my rest up. Put it on the step so. I was in the sun so to put it. Me just not want it come and put it on the drum round so. Me just not want the dog them come dirty up my cause me have to kill everybody, you know. Dog woman and black man and people. How put them mango here so? What them here? Come on mango. See me up Alright, right in the sun. And then go on. Burn out. We're done here now. Whenever you hear the Jamaican saying say when you not wash, I don't wet up, that means you're not gonna marry and drunk. Well me wet up, I mean I'm married not drunk, yes? Yes, Pops? Your mother want football shoes for you? Yeah. You send it for you? Yeah. Alright.
My grandfather gonna send me.
Your grandfather gonna send it?
Yeah.
Oh. My son grandfather send football boot team. Oh, sorry there. Wash your soap water because soap water pink. When it's sick, Mama, my cousin say me I waste our water, but Papa, can water come here every day. Mama, it sound like a machine don't spin. Closing the jeans them. Me now wash. Wait. Now wash no jeans with me and I promise nobody that want that. Mama, so you close then stop. What you mean squeeze the big button? The button where say start and stop? The button where say start and stop? Push it down. So machine are complicated. My camera overheat. It just pop up say it overheat. So guess what? I'm gonna end this vlog here. Just know say the jeans them in the machine. I'm gonna tie them, I'm gonna hang them up on the line and that's it. I'm gonna try to snap a video with them on the line and close them clean and pretty. And then I'm gonna beard. I want plans to them, I'm not sure yet. But this,
yes.
So that me ask you, say biggest button. What's the hold it down?
Yeah, just hold it down to the year water.
Mama, I'm gonna talk to you.
Oh, what's that?